Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, select one of your apps by clicking on it. Then tap on Home button. Now you need to select the other one the same way. And after that, access them in the background by choosing this square button. Now click on the icon of your app that you wish to use on the top half of your screen, and tap on Split Screen. Then just click on the other app, and as you can see now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!